Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to change your store name in Shopify. First of all, you have to open your Shopify app, and here you have to log in your account in Shopify. After logging your account, now here you can see this is my dashboard of Shopify. Now here you have to tap on top right your profile, and here you have to again your login your store in Shopify. After that, here you can see once you logged in, you have to select a plan for. Now here you have to tap on top left your profile icon, and here you have to select account management. After that, here you have to tap on again your profile icon and tap on manage account. After clicking on this, now here you can see my store dashboard. To change your name, you have to tap on your name, and here you have to add your new name. After adding your store new name, you have to tap on top right save button. Once you click on save button, in this way you can change your store name in Shopify. If you like this video, see you in the next interesting video. Thanks for watching this video.